My dear students, hope you all are good. Today we are going to discuss another important topic with you, and the topic which I have chosen from your third unit, A.Kazimi Report 1950. Not wasting more our time, we're going to start our today's topic. After independence, the first Prime Minister of Jammu and Kashmir, Sheikh Mohammed Abdullah, he was also the Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir, appointed 11 members committee under the chairmanship of A.Kazimi. A.Kazimi was the Director of Education at that period. The committee started functioning its work from 18th of August 1950 under the chairmanship of A.Kazimi. In 1950, with the address of Prime Minister, the committee presented a report in the form of recommendations. Let's discuss these recommendations with you. The first recommendation in Kazimi Report 1950 was giving importance to kindergarten system. Kindergarten or pre-primary classes should be given priority because it is the foundational class and the most important class in child's life. So as per these recommendations, the kindergarten system should be given importance. The second recommendation is large number of kindergarten schools. As per the recommendation of the committee, there should be large number of kindergarten schools so that child will get enough chance to receive education at early stage. The third one is duration of kindergarten schools. As per the recommendation of this committee, there should be 2 years of duration in kindergarten with co-educational classes. And child should remain in kindergarten class for almost 2 years, so that all his domains will get covered. The fourth one is appointment of female teachers. As per the recommendation of this committee, in kindergarten classes, there must be female teachers to work and teach children because females care and nourish children better than males. So female teachers must be appointed in kindergarten classes as per this report. The fifth one is trained teachers. As per the recommendations of this committee, each and every kindergarten should have trained teachers to teach small children or kindergarten classes. The sixth recommendation is a reorientation of teachers. As per this recommendation, there must be uniformity in all schools. Reorientation of teachers is need of the hour to save the energy, time and other resources. So to make kindergarten classes more effective, the committee recommended a reorientation of teachers. The seventh recommendation was duration of primary stage. As per this report, it should be for 7 years. It should start +5 in urban areas and +6 in rural areas. The last and the eighth one is free education. As per this recommendation, free education to all stages should be provided. Sheikh Mohammed Abdullah tried to implement all the recommendations to somehow, and he succeeded to implement some among them. Let's have a look. First, revision of pay scale for teachers. Second one was scholarship and incentives for teachers. Third one, teachers training colleges were opened in which maximum teachers were trained. Fourth, the concept of multipurpose schools was started to improve the quality of teaching and training to maximum number of teachers at all levels. So dear students, this is all for today's class. Hope you understood it very perfectly. We will meet again with another topic. Till then, you take care of yourself and goodbye.